Hello everyone, Michael here again on Growing with the Gold, here to give you a real quick golden insight. We're out here at the Royal Gold greenhouse, and one of the things that's so important to remember when we're growing anything is that anything can happen. It doesn't matter how great the conditions you provide, the quality of the inputs. Sometimes Mother Nature just deals us a blow. We've got carrots here that we put in at the perfect time. It was nice and cool, and then we got an unexpected hot snap. They really took off. All the vegetative growth got huge. We started to get flowers. What that's done is it's underdeveloped the roots, overdeveloped the foliage, and put all that energy into trying to create seed. So what we're going to do is get these out of here. But the golden insight for today is work with the conditions you got. Sometimes Mother Nature throws things at us that we don't expect. All we can do as gardeners, farmers, growers is give the best possible outcomes from the beginning that we can, and then hope for the best. So we'll get these out of here. We still got our great soil in place. It's still well amended. So we'll get some new crops in here to take advantage of those high quality inputs we're using and let the Mother Nature take its course. Thanks for joining us on another Growing with the Gold.